Good morning to all of you. This video is for the law of Torts students. So friends, we are in the absolute liability. In this connection, we have discussed the major disasters like the so-called Bhopal gas disaster, volume gas leakage and others. Now we are going to discuss another important thing, that is Machchu dam failure. You may be knowing Machchu dam is located in Morbi district or Morbi city. It has got its effect on Morbi city here itself in Gujarat state. So this is an earthen dam, and actually the catastrophe is failure is due to, actually I feel that it is a man-made failure, but it is taken as a catastrophe or disaster. So it occurred on 11/8/1979 in Morbi or Machchu dam, right? So actually the dam number 2, it was burst due to the fall flash floods or heavy rains, and the velocity of water or wall of water went through the entire town of Morbi, damaging the very city itself, town itself. Approximately 25,000 people have been affected and a good number of people died. Actually, the correct number could not be assessed because there is no data even in the Google also. Actually, why the number is not available is record number 1. Mass graves have been constructed because of the heavy bad smell. So mass burials have taken place of human beings as well as carcasses also. Carcasses ante pashula karabra. Yes, all of them are done. Therefore, no correct figure has been arrived at. Right. So why now we have to know the reasons of the failure. The failure was carried by excessive rain and massive flooding. So it is already an earthen dam. So due to the flash floods and due to the excessive rain, actually the earthen walls disintegrated. They were separated. So they were breached literally. Bokkal bandi already bokkal batta the water has inundated entire Morbi village, Morbi town. So this has gone to the Guinness Book of World Records also as the worst dam burst in Gujarat. Worst dam burst in Gujarat. So this has gone to the Guinness Book of World Records in this head, right? So here the defense, that is actually this is a government project. So Morbi Dam is a government project. So the irrigation officials who are maintaining the dam, they say that it is an act of God. It's not that easy to say. So the experts committee which has been constituted, yes, they said that the failure was due to the structural and communication failure. Please remember, structural and communication failure. So the damage is worth about 100 crores. So normally everybody tries to defend himself. Even the government also, they try to defend themselves. It's not. So here the government has taken the plea of act of God. But lot of politics has taken place. That's why it has not come to the correct figure, correct decision and things like that. Actually, some commission has been also was appointed. But the commission was abruptly stalled by the then CM, Sri Madhav Singh Solanki. So in the middle, but for political reasons, because a lot of hullabaloo has taken place. So people say that actually some 1,800 people have been affected, but people say that 25,000 people have been affected. Lot of confusion was there, and we don't know how much compensation was given to all these people. But what I came to know is the people of Morbi, they did not get any compensation and no punishment for the culprits. Even they could not name the names of the culprits also. So the reason for the failure of the dam is regarding the actual disintegration of the earthen walls. So how it happened? Experts say that it happened due to the communication failure and also structural failure also. So government did not agree. So but whatever it is, so in the records it has become a major failure. This is regarding Machchu dam failure. So why I have made this video is you have got a question in the topic. So law of torts, there was a small question. So better you write this much, it will be enough for you. Thank you very much.